Hi guys, so this is about the latest ACET announcement for January 2026. As you can see that ACET is going to be home based online exam and the date of exam is 10th January 2026. This announcement is from II website. So date of exam is from 10th January 2026 and registration starts from 26th November and registration's closing date is 24th December. Your results will be out by 17th January and you need to pay the fees of 500 to register yourself for ACET. So there are certain requirements for your laptop or desktop. So your operating system has to be licensed and updated Windows OS with version 10 and above. Mac OS is not allowed in II exam and Linux systems are also not allowed. Your browser, this is the latest Google Chrome version that they have mentioned, and processor has to be Intel i3 or above. You should have functional web camera and microphone because your camera and microphone will be on when you are appearing for your exam, and you must be having at least 2 Mbps internet bandwidth and your RAM should be 4 GB or above. So you cannot give your exam on any mobile device, you cannot give your exam on tablet. And what's the eligibility criteria for this 10th January 2026 ACETs? That students who are appearing or basically who have appeared 10+2 and they are awaiting for their results, they can give their exam, and candidate who has passed 12th or any other higher course and candidate who is studying for higher courses, they are also eligible. So you just have to click here for and fill your details, and you will be asked to sign up, and you can just enter your login ID and password. You just need to fill on the registration form which will have your personal details, and you can add your educational details, your 10th information, your 12th information, date of city and state is just for reference, because in any ways the exam is home based online exam only. And then you need to upload your photograph and pay your examination fees. And we have some student guide also available, so you can refer to this. In case you have any queries with respect to payment or with respect to if your photograph is not getting accepted, you can reach out to II on these mail IDs that have been mentioned. And in case you are applying to II basically CET route, then these are the details for that. So this is basically for all the students like who are appearing for non-ACET route, but waiting for ACET announcement. So as per the latest update that we have received from II dated 20th November 2025, ACET will be held on 10th January 2026. Now let me take you through complete ACET details, like what this exam is all about and everything. So ACET is basically applicable to the candidates who are willing to enroll as student member. Basically this is your entrance exam in case you wish to take II membership, and again the details of this are given below, that students who have appeared 12th or equivalent examinations, candidate who have passed 12, anyone with diploma or finance stream, maths, stats, econometrics or other, engineering, management, chartered accountant, cost accounting, company secretary, and the result of ACET is valid for 3 years from the date of declaration. So when your result of ACET will come on 17th January 2026, it will be valid for 3 years for taking the student membership of II. So this was about actual common entrance test. Now coming to the syllabus of this exam. Many students are aware that this is the entrance exam that they have to give, but what all is there in the entrance exam? Basically there are different sections on which they are targeting: maths, stats, data interpretation, logical reasoning and English. तो maths के कौन से topics test होते हैं? We have numerical methods, notation and standard functions, algebra, differentiation, integration, vectors, matrices. Then stats के different topics हैं: permutation, combination, different type of data, different measures of mean, median, how to calculate mode, how to calculate range, standard deviation, how to calculate basic probabilities, advanced probabilities, questions testing on discrete variables, continuous variable, discrete distribution, contents distribution, correlation, regression. So there is a specified syllabus for each of the section. See, for English also we have the syllabus, like you can be tested on synonyms, antonyms, English grammar, sentence correction, fill in the blanks, analogies, jumbled paragraph, different questions testing on verbal reasoning, questions on facts, inferences and judgments. You can be tested on vocabulary, you can be tested on grammatical errors, you can be tested on verbal reasoning questions. Then you have questions related to DI, where you can be provided with tables or column graphs or bar graphs or line charts, and you can be asked to answer the questions based on the interpretation of these Venn diagrams. And we have logical reasoning section, which will have questions of number and letter series, calendars, clocks, cubes, Venn diagrams, sitting arrangement, logical matching, logical sequence, logical blood relations. And these are certain reference books which have been prescribed by II Society. So basically, when you enroll yourself, you get this maths and stats pack. So even if you're just referring this along with some questions on DI, English and logical reasoning, you would be able to clear this exam. And in case you want to check on the question papers and their corresponding solutions, this is the complete area where you can check on the question paper and their solutions. Like for August 2025, if I show you a glimpse of the question paper, so you can see this was how we have math section 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, around 30 marks is for math section, you can see. Then for stats we have 4, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 29, 30 marks for stats. For DI 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 15 marks for DI. For English you can see 2, 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15 marks again for this section. And finally, we have a logical reasoning section 6, 2, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is the split for maths, English, DI, logical reasoning. Okay. So these are the different past papers that we can refer to. So like we have different programs available on our website for ACET. So let me take you through the details. Now these are the details of the different programs which are available on our website for ACET. So let me give you details of each of the program, so you can accordingly decide. So you can see the first option is ACET January 2026 crash course, then we have Live Plus videos, and finally we have exclusive videos. So if you opt for Live Plus videos, basically on the spot you will get access to our video lectures of each section. We have separate lectures for math, separate for stats, separate for English, separate for logical reasoning and DI. So you will get those lectures which will have conceptual discussion plus past papers discussion. Like all the past papers that are available on our India website are discussed in detail in those lectures. Then at regular intervals we will be having a group discussion session, so you can participate in that as well. Then at regular intervals I will share you a schedule also right now which will have details related to assignments and test schedule. So we have decided now only that considering ACET is in January 2026, when you have to when are you supposed to send your English assignment, when is your math assignment due, because we will be following a particular target and every week you will be receiving those targets, and based on that you need to complete all your videos and sections. So we have section wise tests, we have full course tests, and the validity of this is limited to 1 year. And another is exclusive videos, like those who feel that they don't want to attend the live sessions, they can opt for this, which has everything else same except that you cannot attend it live. And next is January 2026 crash course, for which the validity is limited to January 2026. So you can be a part of, you will be getting all our lectures, you will be getting all our tests and assignments. The only difference is that validity is to January 2026. Now let me take you through the complete schedule that we have prepared for our ACET students. So this is the complete schedule for ACET January 2026. So you can see we have mentioned the steps as well, that first you need to complete your content, then you need to submit your assignment, then you need to attempt your tests and mocks as per the dates that we will be sharing with you. So like announcement was out on 20th November. So we have an orientation session, then you need to start with the video lectures based on the targets that we will be sending to you, and we expect you to complete all your data interpretation videos by 7th December. We expect you to complete all your English videos by 9th December. So you can see that the deadline is close. That means as soon as you start with your lectures, as soon as you start receiving your targets, you need to wrap up your DI and English lectures simultaneously. Then you, by 11th December, you need to submit your DI assignments. By 12th December, you need to submit your English assignments. Then you have your DI unit test scheduled on 13th January, your English unit test 13th December, and your English unit test on 14th December, and we need to complete all the LR videos by 16th December. So एक तरीके से आपके पास 9 दिसंबर से 16 दिसंबर तक का टाइम है अपना LR सेक्शन कंप्लीट करने का. उसके बाद you will be needing to submit your LR assignments by 18th December. You have your LR unit test on 20th December. Maths videos and stat videos completion का टाइम है by 24th December. So everything has to go simultaneously. By 25th December, we will be completing maths assignments, and by 26th December, we will be completing stat assignments, and finally, we will have a unit test of maths and stats on 27th and 28th. We have 3 mock assignments prepared. So you need to submit all your 3 mock assignments by 31st December, and then you have your 3 mocks you can see on 2nd January, 3rd January, 4th January. So the moment you start with your preparation, basically from 23rd November onwards, you get access to everything from our site, and we will provide you targets with respect to your videos completion. So LI, logical reasoning, English, math, stats, everything will go together. Okay, and then based on the dates you will be submitting your assignments, and जैसे maths assignments है तो it will be having questions related to the maths topics. Stat assignments will have questions related to the stats topics, and then if we have our unit tests, so like if we have unit test of maths, so again it will be testing you on your mathematical section, and when the mock is scheduled, it is testing on all the sections. So mock is like your typical exam paper of 100 marks. So 5th to 9th January we have kept for revision. So if you are planning to appear for ACET January 2026, you need to start straight away, and if you feel that you have sufficient time, so I would recommend each and every one of you to start preparing for ACET and CS1 together, because ACET is on 10th January, and if you feel that you are ready for ACET, you have prepared well, or you can clear ACET in upcoming attempt, then there is no point waiting for the result or waiting to start your preparation for CS1 after January. You can start with CS1 and ACET as of now, and once you have your ACET result out on 17 January, you can complement your CS1 preparation with CB2, so that when in May 2026 II exams are there, so you are actually giving 2 exams, CS1 and CB2, and along with that you have already cleared ACET. So this is the best utilization of time, because ACET will just require 2 hours on a daily basis. So 1.5 to 2 hours, if you can manage from now till 10th January, you can definitely appear for it. And simultaneously, if you can give half hour or 1 hour to CS1 preparation, that will complement your ACET preparation as well, because your stats section will become strong, and once you have your ACET results with you, you can prepare for CB2. So like mostly students who are enrolled with us are following the same pattern. So this is for everyone who is confused which exam to appear for. Shall we focus only on ACET? We don't recommend focus only on ACET. This is true, like if you start your preparation by end of December, then to you have to focus only on ACET. If you start preparation by mid-December, then only ACET. But considering that we have time available now, and we should be focusing on effective utilization of time, so focus on ACET and CS1 as of now, and by 17 January you can take your decision to complement it by CB2 along. In this way, you can make sure that you are as per your peers also, and you are not behind them. At least you are not wasting your time only on your ACET preparation. Okay, so I hope that this is clear now with respect to how you need to prepare for ACET. To still, in case you have any confusion, feel free to reach out on the number mentioned. Thank you. Happy learning.